You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, so I'm making a lot of progress. I've had a lot of minor and individual things done, but I wanted to kind of showcase this. Heater assembly is all nice and finished and shiny and looks pretty darn good. I've made a point to keep these unpainted. I have coated them with some clear coat though. I've got the hoses in. I've got the heater control valve in. I've got the copper pipe in right there and tied down. Everything's looking pretty darn good. I'm also in the midst of doing wiring, so when wiring is annoying or troublesome, I stop and do something else, and so this is what I stopped with. Got the coil in, and again, a lot of wiring in. So what you're looking at is basically the old case that I stripped down and painted, and I didn't like it, so I stripped down again, painted it, didn't like it, I stripped down, I think it's 3 times now, and this is the end result. Not bad. I've got, as you can see, I've got unpainted bolts there. I'm gonna keep those as they are for the contrast. I'm gonna put some clear coat on those as well. Here's my old heater core. And as you can see, that's why I have a new heater core. I'm likely to bend this back, do a pressure test, and resolder it, maybe keep it as a spare, but I mean, these things don't go bad, so if anybody wants one, I guess I could give it away. It's a good condition. I had originally blown this thing out, dipped it in vinegar, got all the junk out of it, blew it out again, and then flushed it, and then flushed it once more, so the tanks are nice and clear. There's nothing hanging around in there. And I dropped it off my workbench. Yeah. So, 40 bucks later, I got a new heater core. So, yeah, she blows. What's left? Oh, yeah, horns. I'm doing horns. I've got 2 of these. Dual wind, whatever the hell they are, wind tones or whatever. And that, whoops, you can see how fat that is compared to this. It's the original horn. Quite a difference in size. So I need to fabricate some mounts for the new ones. Old ones kind of work still. They sound pretty shoddy, but they work. So, yeah, that's what's coming up next at some point, probably today. Yeah.